Hello, I'm Chris with the Legacy team. This video is going to be the first at producing a full kitchen cabinet project, specifically using the Maverick 4x8 CNC system. In this video specifically, we'll be showing how to do all the sheet processing to produce the cabinet boxes. To produce these kitchen cabinets, we worked with a master cabinet maker, Michael Zamarza, located in San Bernardino, California. Following Michael's expertise, we were able to assist in each stage of producing these kitchen cabinets. Here, Michael uses SketchUp to design the entire layout of the project and then exports all these components out to the Vectric software to create the toolpaths for the machine. After the design is finalized, it came out to be 17 cabinet boxes to complete this project, and the main material for most of these boxes was 3/4 inch melamine. Let's take a look at how the Maverick 4x8 CNC system is able to produce sheet goods for all of these kitchen cabinets. Each sheet is being held down with our vacuum table hold down system. This vacuum table is a modular option that can be added to the Gen 4 Maverick 4x8 CNC systems at any time. We opened the dust shoe brushes throughout this entire cutting demonstration so we can see what's happening. The first milling process on the CNC is drilling holes. Now, using two different drill bit sizes, we were able to accommodate all of the hole patterns for hardware such as drawers and doors, as well as shelving holes, and even through holes to screw the boxes together while being assembled. Another key element in the Maverick 4x8 CNC system is the auto tool change. Not only does this allow us to automatically switch out cutters throughout the entire milling process, but it also allows the operator to do additional tasks while the machine is working. The next milling processes are specifically for joinery, and we use two different size cutters to give us dado cuts as well as mortise cuts for qualified mortise and tenons. These types of joints greatly simplify the assembly process while adding structure and stability to the box. The last milling processes are to simply cut out the parts out of the sheet. By nesting multiple parts out of each sheet, the CNC is able to reduce wasted material across the entire project. This first cut is using a roughing end mill to quickly remove material around the perimeter of each part. After roughing, a compression cutter is then used to complete a finish pass around the perimeter of each part as well. It took about 6 hours to produce all the sheets for the entire project, and each sheet took anywhere between 12 to 20 minutes depending on part sizes. All the cutters used throughout this entire project are from magnate.net. By producing a roughing and finish pass, our cutters are able to last much longer. The parts also have a cleaner finish and less tear out along the edges. A big shout out to Michael for sharing his expertise and for guiding us along the entire process of producing these kitchen cabinets. In the next video of this kitchen cabinet project, we will show how all of these parts are assembled to create cabinet boxes. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what a Legacy CNC can do for you, I recommend visiting our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always leave them right down below in the comments, or you can talk to one of our CNC experts by calling 801-491-0010. If you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations like these, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box, and as always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.